It came closer and closer and closer. And if you've ever been through a hurricane in Florida, you think you've been through one, and you've been through them all, you haven't.
My clients were calling me, asking how they should prepare, they should be putting their shutters on, what my thoughts were for the severity of the storm.
When they're predicting storms, they don't know where it's going. It's just an area. It changes really quickly, and once you know that you are going to be in that cone and you are going to be affected, are you going to get the storm surge? Are you going to get the wind?
We're a data-driven company, so we were mapping where employees lived, where agents were, where policyholders were, to understand who was going to be the most impacted, to understand where we needed to deploy and what we needed to deploy with.
Right after it happened, a lot of people were trapped in their homes. The water was rising and people were trapped. They were afraid that they were gonna drown. There's no cell service. You're basically cut off from the world. I mean, there's really no way to describe it except for chaos.
The first thing that really hit me was I have no cell phone service. My clients are going to be trying to call me, and I have no way of communicating to them that I'm not available.
WeInsure is structured intentionally so that if we have situations like this, we have disasters, phone coverage is spread across the state and the country.
Having the WeInsure organization available provided me peace of mind to be able to go out and serve my community while I was paralyzed from infrastructure damage.
We were responding, taking gasoline to some of our employees for generators to put insulin on ice or other medical, oxygen machines just to keep their families going. We're doing that while we're deploying an RV into a catastrophe village where all the insurance companies come together. We're there to support the agents. The agents can then say to their customers via text and the things we're supporting them with, come to this area, we'll feed you, we'll explain your policy, we'll help you. And that human interaction during this time is critical.
We've secured the policy previously, so they have the coverage. Now they want you to be their advocate. They want you to help them understand how to navigate through a claims process because it is confusing and it's changing.
WeInsure, they support this kind of culture, they support this kind of involvement, and that's important to us because that's our reputation, that's our business, that's our livelihood. These are our people, our community, our family, friends.
Seeing our people delivering water, chopping down trees, cleaning out people's homes, consoling one another, cooking in the middle of a 97-degree humid day in Florida. That's what we want.
They don't know where to begin when it comes to the claims process. We're here to answer their questions.
Every day you see people just continuously working to rebuild what was lost.
It's what we do, but it's part of who we are, and that's what makes you a good agent.
It's a real person behind the phone that you can call when you're worried, when you're stressed, when you're scared.
We want to be with people, agents, employees, that want to do the right thing when the time comes.